ROO code versus Kilo code. Which platform is better in this year? AI coding assistants are becoming must-have tools for developers because they save time, reduce errors, and make coding easier. Two options that stands out today are ROO code and Kilo code. While both help with coding tasks, they approach the job in slightly different ways. ROO code is designed to work directly inside the code editor, making it simple to use while programming. It helps developers by suggesting code completions, explaining complex logic, and even managing multi-file projects. ROO code is meant to feel like a real coding partner, responding to natural language questions and giving meaningful context based suggestions. Its strength lies in productivity, as it can reduce repetitive tasks and streamline coding workflows. Developers who want a smart, editor focused assistant will find ROO code effective. Since it is growing quickly, it is also improved with frequent updates and support for different languages. Now, Kilo Code, on the other hand, takes a broader approach by offering a platform where developers can generate, test, and refine code with AI. It focuses on creating whole code blocks or project structures, which makes it useful for developers who want to build faster from scratch. Kilo Code also allows customization and flexibility, letting users adapt the AI to their coding style. While it may not always offer the same deep editor level context as ROO code, it shines in helping developers quickly draft code and experiment with ideas. Overall, ROO code is better for those who want an AI assistant built into their daily coding environment, while Kilo Code is ideal for developers who want a flexible tool to generate and shape larger code projects. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.